Hello guys, welcome to MMK Clinique Advice Channel. Here is Jonas K.
Hello guys, you are welcome in your channel. My name is Dr. M.
As you all know, in this channel we give only advice about different kinds of disease, what to do, when to consult a medical help. We don't teach medicine. Today we are going to talk about kidney failure. Kidney failure means that kidney function fails. Treatment is supportive and symptomatic.
Guys, the kidney plays an important role in maintaining a stable internal environment for optimal cell function by regulating body water and cleaning the body of harmful substances. In kidney failure, the kidneys are unable to cleanse the body. Then harmful substances and water remain in the body, which would otherwise have accompanied the urine out. The most common form of kidney failure is chronic kidney failure. Then you often have a kidney disease that causes the kidneys to deteriorate over time.
Chronic kidney failure is characterized by a chronic, difficult to diagnose, and irreversible deterioration of kidney function that lead, usually within several years, to terminal kidney failure. In acute kidney failure, the symptoms come quickly, within a few days or a couple of weeks. Most people recover quickly, or most people recover completely after having acute kidney failure. There can be several causes of acute kidney failure. A common cause is too little blood passing through the kidneys. It can, for example, occur in accidents where you lose a lot of blood. Some other examples are a severe allergic reaction or sepsis, also known as a blood poisoning, and also a certain drugs such as painkillers, hypertension drugs, and so on.
The most causes of chronic kidney failure are these. First is kidney inflammation. Second, chronic disease such as diabetes type 1, diabetes type 2, and also high blood pressure you have had for a long time. The third cause is severe atherosclerosis. What is severe atherosclerosis? That is that the fat has accumulated on the inside of the blood vessels for a long time.
When should you seek for medical help? Guys, please do contact a medical help at good time. Don't ignore any of these symptoms. The earlier, the better. Contact the healthcare as soon as possible if you have one or more of the following symptoms. 1. Your feet and the lower legs become swollen. 2. Your face and the eyelids swell during the night. 3. You can gain several kilos of weight in a short time. 4. Your urine forms a foam when you urinate. And 5. You have blood in your urine.
What happens if you don't seek? Yeah, if you don't, the risk is that you end up in chronic kidney failure, which is characterized by fatigue, difficulty to breathe, body itching, poor appetite, nausea, and vomiting. Then, guys, you need to know that there are some things you can do to reduce the risk of kidney failure. Much is about lifestyle habits.
Let's talk about 6 things to do to prevent kidney failure. 1. Eat healthy food that is based of lots of vegetables, fruit, whole grain, fish, vegetable oil, and low-fat dairy products. Sorry. 2. You should reduce using too much salt. 3. Avoid alcohol.
4. As you all knows now, avoid smoking because smoking damages the blood vessels. 5. Exercise a lot. Move is very good for to get physical activity. And 6. It is important to be careful with the treatment and that you go for a checkup if you have high blood pressure or diabetes.
Thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Ciao.
Ciao.